We go fast in the slides, baby. I feel like we've had too many videos on the Corvette recently, too many POVs. We gotta change it up. What the fuck? Let's do a little canyon run with this today, man. We got my homie that's got an M4. We got a homie that's got the GT3. Let's get after it, man. This out of here. Mid pipe sounding good. The down pipe is over there. The down pipe is in my garage right now. I just need to get the tune with it and everything. So, you know, you have to send off the ECU to fucking Finland and all that. I don't want to do all that. We're just trying to drive. Should be a very fun cruise today.
What up, man?
What's up, man?
What you doing?
You got the yellow one, huh? It's looking good. Look at that M4 over there.
She's horny.
Hey, where are we going?
Let's do Malibu Canyon.
Malibu, let's run it. Let's run it. You can slip in there.
Chill cruise. I don't have any brakes. So.
Oh. How much is a brake job on this thing?
Like 4 or 5 grand.
Damn, that's less than mine.
Yeah.
Fuck, but the carbon on this would be like 15 bands, huh, or something, 20?
Carbon on this is like 15, like 12, 15.
Alright.
It's dumb.
Fuck. I'll let you lead then, my friend. Woo!
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Yeah. Nice Sunday out. Check the weather right now, man. This is a perfect overcast, perfect vibes. Look at that thing. I'd murk that shit. Perfect vibes for a nice little Malibu cruise, man. Malibu Canyon, just one of the best. What? Is this what I think it is? I think it's like a wife driving her husband's or something, because she didn't even give me a thumbs up or nothing. She doesn't even know what she's driving. Respect. Little sport mode activated? Yes, sir. Damn, the yellow headlights look sick, bro. I can't even lie, especially on a black M4. It's clean. It's very clean. The Honda Accord is whipping right now. I had a lot of shit in my car. Automatic just ain't as fun, man. 15 it says. Oh, there he is. Let's go. Numbers calling me? What? I didn't just decline that call. It would have been so easy. Concentrating. Holy shit, look at that view. That's a nice 911. I fucking love this car, bro. Oh my goodness. Just a little numb sometimes, especially compared to the F80, but holy shit.